Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the releasing resources stuck at zero issue in Arknights Endfield. So let's get started. Now, if your game gets stuck while releasing resources and never finishes, you're not alone. This is usually a permissions problem with Windows, not the game itself. Now, the simplest and most reliable fix is to run both the launcher and the game as administrator. So to do this, you want to go ahead and search for Arknights. Right click on this, open file location. And then from here, this one, you want to right click this, go to properties, compatibility, check this box, run this program as an admin, apply, and then okay. Now it doesn't stop there. You want to do the same thing for the actual Arknights Endfield game file. So to do this, all you have to do is right click again, open file location. Then from here, you want to go to games, choose this, scroll down, you want to find Endfield, there we go. So what you need to do is right click this, basically do the same thing. Go to properties, compatibility, take run this program as an admin, click apply, and then click OK. After that, just relaunch the game normally from the launcher. When you log back in, the resource release process should complete properly instead of getting stuck at zero. Now this fix works because it gives the game full system permission to write and move files instead of being blocked by Windows security. And that's about it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!